Happy Sunday. We just got home from the pumpkin patch. Bentley is napping. He fell asleep in the car. And the boys are downstairs watching football. The Rams game is about to start. I am just laying here because I'm so tired.
Can you tap the lowercase a? Ah. Can you tap the uppercase a? Ah. Now try to find lion. It's a match. Well done.
This is really how it shows up.
What are you making there?
A smiley face.
So I just showed Addie this new app called Homer, and they're actually sponsoring this portion of the video. It's an app to help kids have fun and learn how to read. It has over 1,000 different activities and things, but it basically helps them with their ABCs, sight words, which is really, I appreciate because she's doing, she has sight words in school that she learns every week, and phonics and a bunch of stuff, and there's all different activities and games. And what I really liked about it is that you can actually personalize it for your child's interests. So for her, I chose like that she likes animals and princesses, things like that. And they have all different categories and things. So you can personalize it, and it becomes like more fun for them if they're like doing things that they enjoy doing. We don't do a whole lot of screen time, but for things like this, I like them, especially because I know she's getting something out of it. And apparently, they say if you spend 15 minutes a day with this app, it increases their reading by 74%, like their reading scores, which is pretty amazing. So it's nice because it's almost like half refresh of what she does in kindergarten and half new stuff, because I think a lot of the things she's going to see in this app she's not doing in kindergarten yet. Some of it is a review, so it's nice. But right now she's painting something. And before that, she was playing a match game and learning letter sounds. Do you like it? We're just here snuggling. So if you want to try this out, they have offered a free 30-day trial to all of you guys. I'll put a link in the description box below. My belly's growling. I need to go eat something. I have to say the graphics on this are pretty impressive too. Now I'm gonna go downstairs and I think start dinner a little bit early tonight. But really quick before that, I want to share this flannel because I found it at Target yesterday, and it's like the most perfect colors for fall, even like Halloween. It's purple, black, and like browny orange, and it's pretty long. I just don't mind my socks. I had boots on. I have it tied here, but it's very long. It covers the bum. So I have leggings on with it, but I wanted to just show you a comparison. I have this shirt, which I found at Madewell or Nord. It's by Madewell. I think I got it at Nordstrom though. And this is my favorite for fall, and I thought it couldn't get any better until I found this shirt. The differences between the two is this one by Madewell feels more like a typical button-down shirt, whereas this one that I'm wearing feels like a true flannel. Like, it's very soft and cozy. I just have on a black bodysuit underneath because it was freezing at the pumpkin patch today. But I wanted to share those both because I know everybody loves flannels for fall. I'll put links to both of them in the description box. I also am going to put a link to a gift set in the description box. I don't know if it's for the holidays or just for now, but it is a whole set by Dr. Jart. I shared it on my Instagram story, but in it contains one full size of the Psychopair, which retails for $52 a jar, and it's worth every penny. But the whole gift set itself is $52. So you get a full size and then a whole bunch of samples by Dr. Jart. And in that includes a sample size of the water fuse hydro sleep mask that I've talked about on here a bunch of times. You put it on at night after your nighttime moisturizer, you go to sleep and you wake up with baby soft skin. So that set I already purchased for myself and will probably sell out, if not soon. Like, I hope it's not already sold out. I haven't checked, but basically you get a whole jar of the Psychopair, which makes it worth it in and of itself, and then you get all these amazing samples. And the only other one I've tried is this Psychopair serum and then the hydro sleep mask, which is great as a travel size. Then I also shared this on Instagram, and I got this in the mail from QVC. I purchased this. This is the same exact set that they had last year by Buxom. pretty much the only lip glosses that I wear. And this set I think also retails for $52, and in it you get, how many are these? 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 15 glosses. A lot of the glosses that I have from last year I used up. They're in like my product empties video. So I don't know if this was like an overstock of last year and they're just trying to get rid of them, or it was just so good and popular last year that they are re-promoting it. But these come out to like $3.60 per gloss, and they're all so good. So you get half creams and half polishes. And if you guys have never tried the Buxom lip glosses, they are so good. They're buttery smooth. They give you a little bit of a cooling tingle sensation, and they last all day long. So I wanted to share those 2 gift sets. If you need something for yourself or you want to do gifts, you can break them apart and do stocking stuffers, Secret Santas, gift toppers, things like that. Those are both really great sets for the holidays that I don't think will last in stock until the holidays. Welcome to the kitchen.
Guess what? I just knew a comma that we learned at school right here on my book.
We're practicing our sight words. This is the meal we're making. It looks yummy. Lemon Parmesan chicken orzo.
Hey guys,
Hey guys! We've been chopping and cleaning
over here.
and practicing our sight words and finding them in the book. Did you find me the ands in the book? There's 2 on that page.
I didn't see it.
Hi, Mama. You watching football? We can't pick you up right now, baby. Remember, and. A-N-D.
No, but I can't find it.
Keep looking. Papa's watching football, and Louis was doing homework. I don't know where he went. Oh, Mama. For those of you that ask if Bentley ever cries, there you go. He's crying because he's so hungry. I'm gonna transfer these into the oven. I know, Mama. Mama's cooking as fast as I can. All right, you gotta back up. Addie, can you bring him over here so he's... I have to open the stove or the oven. Can you back him up? Go by Addie. Go over there. Okay, in they go.
Come here. Come here.
Wait, you found it? Good. I think it's on that page one more time. There's 2.
You just pushed me.
Bentley?
Yeah.
Good job, you found it. The Rams are winning. Let's hope they win.
Hey guys, hold on real quick.
Let's show them how you do your sight words.
Okay.
No, I'll hold it. Let's show them how you do your sight words. I'm also eating kale.
Disgusting.
Raw kale, it's so good.
You?
It's so good, you should really try it. It's what rabbits eat.
Ew.
It's so yummy. Alright, let's do your sight words. Oh, going back for more, huh? Remember, this day is never going to happen again. Come on, let's do your sight words. Find me can. Can. Uh-huh. Flip it over. We did that one already. Find me the. You think that's the? Good job. Put it with can. Find me C.
Mom, I'm finding this.
No, that's not in the book.
Oh.
We did cam. We did the. Find me C.
See?
Mm-hmm. Good job. Flip it over. Find me I.
I.
Very good. Find me we. Good girl. I need to stop eating the kale or we're not going to have any for dinner. You can keep eating it. I'm never going to tell you not to eat kale. How are they looking, babe?
Yeah, they're kind of sluggish. But they're winning.
Yeah, look.
It's madness in here. These two. I don't know what they're doing.
I'm mad.
Hey, Wait, I need you to go put that stool away, please.
But I'm mad.
I need you to go put the stool away, please. And you can tell us why you're mad when you get back. Addison, put the stool away, please.
I'm sweating.
Okay. We're almost ready here. It smells heavenly. The chicken is cooked. It's madness. Bentley! Bentley! Why are you yelling? Why are you yelling? That's not necessary. I love you. I can't pick you up right now. This is very hot up here. And your brands are still winning. Thanks for goodness.
I'm sweating.
Well, you're sweating because you're running around like a crazy.
And I'm hungry. And I know that. And Bentley wants me to go play with him. You can see.
So go play. Go play and give me some peace and quiet.
I'm hungry. Is that almost done?
Anyone else's kids hungry when they're bored? Always when she's bored, she's hungry.
Yeah, I'm not bored right now.
You're bored. You're bored.
Ow. Okay, bye guys. Ow, Bentley.
And it's a match.
She's
Done.
doing
You
this
found
memory
2
game
ands.
with sight words.
Now try to find another match. The
Oh, that's a sight word
is.
in
Whoops.
school.
Those don't match. Try again.
Is
The.
the.
That's one of your sight words.
A.
Oh, that's one too.
2. Whoops. Those don't match. Try again.
Oh, not A.
You found 2 is's. Now try to find an on. A.
It's cool that you could do a
Whoops.
match with
Those
sight
don't-
words
A.
instead of pictures.
On. It's a match. Well done. You found 2 ons. Find lowercase q.
Now we're doing letter
Find
hunt.
lowercase. Yay!
And
You
it's
found
nice
the
because they have all of the
lowercase
letters,
q.
so you can focus on the ones that you have trouble
Tap
with.
uppercase q.
So right now we're doing Q because Q
Yay!
isn't the
You
easiest
found
for
the
her to
uppercase
recognize.
Q. Tap uppercase Q. Yes, you found the uppercase Q. It's a cute
We'll have to do
letter.
this with G and J
Find
too.
lowercase q.
So the other one she
Find
struggles with.
lowercase q. That's it. You found the lowercase q.
That's the uppercase.
Mm-hmm.
Fine.
Right before H.
Let's
Yeah,
hunt for letters.
that's good. J.
Tap uppercase J. Just the right letter. The uppercase J. Find lowercase j. Find lowercase j. Jumping jungles. You found the lowercase j.
Dinner was delicious. Everybody loved it, and it's so funny because the chicken was literally just like grilled, like 4 minutes in olive oil on top of the pan and then roasted in the oven. It was so easy, but we're gonna probably add that to our weekly menu. So now I just put Bentley to sleep. It's just 8 o'clock and I'm gonna take off my makeup. I wore eye makeup today for the first time in like ever. All I did was I took like a couple colors from my Urban Decay. I don't even know what I'm talking about. I think it's Urban Decay. Yeah, Urban Decay Naked Basics palette. I'll show you the colors. The 3 bottom ones. Boom, boom, boom. I just mixed them, put them all over my lid and like underneath here. I kind of like it. I didn't put any eyeliner on. I don't really need eyeliner when you have lash extensions, but I am going to take off my mask. I think I'm gonna do a face mask, and then I'm really in the mood to watch a Hallmark Christmas movie, which they start next week, Friday the 26th. I'm so excited, but I'm just kind of in the mood. I have some fall ones taped from Hallmark, but I'm feeling a Christmas movie right now. So that is what I'm gonna do. Let's pick out a face mask. I'll show you my face mask stash is all under here. Not like breaking out or anything right now. This is a good one though for breakouts. Charcoal mask. I think I'm actually gonna use this one. This has been my favorite. It's by Volition and it's their detoxifying silk gelée mask. It cleans your pores and also hydrates your face. So I think I'm going to do this one. And yeah, I'm gonna get in my PJs, comfy clothes, and I'm gonna veg out, make the kids lunches, and call it a night. I'm already cleaned up downstairs, so that's good. But yeah. Also, can we talk about these bracelets? I am obsessed with them. The outer ones are the new ones from the holiday collection. The one in the middle we've had for a while, but I love them. They're like rose gold. The one's rose gold and the other one's like all different multicolors. Constantly all night tonight, like the light would catch them and they would like catch my eye. They're so pretty. Obsessed. So I'm gonna end it here. I hope you guys enjoyed this little mashup vlog. Thank you for watching this video and I will see you in my next one. Bye.